What's going on today, Bread Gang? It's part two of the wheel light install. It's gonna be probably a three or four part video. I know the first thing, if JW Montoya is watching this, he's always the one that calls me out. Different day, same shirt, but I don't really care. These are kind of work clothes, so this is what I'm working with today. But I know half of y'all clicked on the video because you want to see if the wheel lights are done, which I'm going to get to in a second. The other half of you are clicking on to find out what just cost me $1,000 on my truck. Oh man, $1,000. That's for something that's not aftermarket part related. $1,000 is a lot, and I'm not too happy about it. But oh my goodness, we are going to get into that in just a second. All you got to do is sit through the intro. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. You about to get kicked out of Bojangles. To jump into the title of the video or the thumbnail. So, probably maybe a year and a half ago, the condenser in my truck went out. So that means the AC does not work, or did not work, for a long time. And being in Florida, where, you know, it's already, what is it, May? It's May already, and it's 90 degrees most days, and that's a no-go. So I mean, about last summer is when it actually went out, and it was okay over the winter, of course, because the heat still worked. But trying to get through Florida late spring and summer with no AC is a no-go. That doesn't happen. So it's probably not going to show it anywhere in here because it's underneath, but the condenser's down in there, I believe. But there was a leak in the condenser. I took it to a shop and they put Freon in it, and it lasted for about a week last summer. So I knew something was going on. They said the condenser was out. So I took it to my guys over at Craft Nissan. Shout out to Moses and Brandon. You guys are the best. Y'all do the best work. I either take it to Minco, which is the local truck shop in town, or, you know, stuff like this, to Craft Nissan. Love the guys over there. Shout out to y'all. Y'all are the best. So about $1,000 to finally get the condenser fixed underneath here. And I mean, it's not something I wanted to do, but it's just something that had to be done. I mean, my girl rides around with me, and you know, she's very beautiful, and I don't like her to sweat, so I had to get the AC fixed. I mean, it's just something that happens. Apparently this body style is known for having AC issues or the condenser leaking. So I mean, I wasn't too upset about it. It's just, you know, the truck's 4 or 5 years old now, and it's something we're gonna have to start dealing with. So had to get that fixed. And quick little update for y'all. Hold on one second while I turn off the copyrighted music. Got to make sure to turn off. I want my ads. I want my ads in my videos. Make me some money so I can put more stuff on the truck. Make sure you watch through the ads. Show some love to your boys. Show some love to the Bread Gang. So wheel number 2 on the back is done. We have got all 4 tightened on there. That wheel light is done. And as you can see from the previous video, that light is done. So we have both of the rings on the back done. Now, the issue that we're running into now, let me put this back down, is the front is gonna be the front's gonna be the pain in the ass here. So the back, obviously, you don't have your spindle, your lower control arms, you don't have any of that in the back, and the dust shield's pretty exposed in the back. On the front, you are very, very limited on what you can mount those L brackets to for the wheel lights. So, being that me and the myth of the legend Dad over there are not, you know, truck guys. I mean, we're truck guys, but we're not truck mechanics. We don't do all this for a living. I have no idea what the hell to do to get these on the front. So I have 2 options. One, I can either get you guys to help me, and, you know, somebody that knows what they're doing, leave a comment below, help me out, figure out what to do, so maybe I don't have to take all this stuff off the front. Or we might just have to spend a weekend and just take all this shit off, which I really don't want to do, but if that means getting my wheel lights put on, that's what I might have to do. Or I take it to my guys over at Minco, have them put the front 2 on, wire everything, spend a couple $100 and just get it done. So obviously y'all know on the channel, I'm not afraid to admit that I don't like to do the crazy stuff on the truck. I don't know how to do most of it, to be honest. So those are my dilemmas at the moment. So the back 2 are done. Back 2 are done. They look good. They're very sturdy, I guess I should say. They're gonna look really good once I can get them on. I'm super excited. It's just gonna add so much color. The double row LEDs, I'm just beyond excited. Leave a like and a comment below. Leave a comment below if you have any ideas. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button, join the biggest, greatest people ever assembled to get this bread. Y'all are the best. I love you so much. Shout out to my guy over at Living the Truck Life. Make sure y'all hit him up, get him to 10K. Red Rado, let's help him get to 10K too. At Red Rado 14. Those are my dudes. Help them out to help me out. Let's all get to 10K. Let's all be great. I will see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. And as always, don't forget, let's get this bread.
Yes, sir.